Here are the top 8 foods scientifically proven to promote kidney wellness and vitality. Taking care of your kidneys is essential for maintaining overall health, preventing kidney disease, reducing the risk of chronic conditions, improving quality of life, preserving long-term health, and minimizing the financial burden of kidney-related issues. Prioritizing kidney health through lifestyle choices and regular health screenings can have significant benefits for your well-being and longevity. Before we start, make sure you click that subscribe button and click the like button for more content like this. Now let's begin. Number 1. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are excellent choices for kidney health due to their high antioxidant content and low potassium levels. Antioxidants in berries help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which can benefit kidney function and overall health. The fiber in berries also supports heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar, which is important for kidney health. Including a variety of berries in your diet can provide a range of beneficial nutrients that support kidney function and help protect against kidney disease. Berries are versatile and can be enjoyed fresh, frozen, or added to smoothies, yogurt, or salads for a delicious and nutritious boost. Number 2. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich sources of high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for kidney health. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce the risk of kidney disease progression and protect against kidney damage. Fish is a healthier alternative to red meat, which can be high in saturated fat and cholesterol, both of which can negatively impact kidney health. Including fish in your diet can help you meet your protein needs while providing essential nutrients that support overall kidney function. Grilling, baking, or broiling fish is a healthy way to prepare it without adding extra unhealthy fats or calories. Number 3. Olive oil. Olive oil is a heart-healthy fat that is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a beneficial choice for kidney health. Using olive oil as your primary cooking oil can help reduce inflammation in the body and protect against chronic diseases like kidney disease. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which are important factors for kidney health. Olive oil is a versatile ingredient that can be used in cooking, salad dressings, and marinades to add flavor and health benefits to your meals. Choosing extra virgin olive oil for its higher antioxidant content is a great way to maximize the kidney protective benefits of this healthy fat. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic is a flavorful herb that offers numerous health benefits, including potential advantages for kidney health. The compounds in garlic have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect the kidneys from damage and support overall kidney function. Some studies suggest that garlic may help reduce kidney inflammation and improve kidney function in certain populations. Adding garlic to your diet can enhance the flavor of your meals without the need for extra salt, which is important for managing blood pressure and kidney health. Whether used fresh, roasted, or as a seasoning, garlic is a versatile ingredient that can be incorporated into a variety of dishes to promote kidney health and overall well-being. Number 5. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are colorful and nutritious vegetables that are low in potassium and high in vitamins A and C, making them an excellent choice for kidney health. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that can help protect the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals, while vitamin A supports overall kidney health and function. Bell peppers are also a good source of fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve digestive health, both of which are essential for kidney function. Including a variety of bell peppers in your diet can provide a range of beneficial nutrients that support kidney health and overall well-being, whether eaten raw in salads, stir-fried, or roasted. Number 6. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that is low in potassium and high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for kidney health. The fiber in cauliflower can help lower cholesterol levels and improve digestion, which are crucial for overall kidney health. Cauliflower is also a good source of vitamin C and folate, both of which play a role in supporting kidney function and reducing inflammation in the body. Including cauliflower in your diet can provide a range of essential nutrients that support kidney health and overall well-being. You can enjoy cauliflower in various ways, such as roasted, steamed, mashed, or added to soups and stir-fries for a nutritious boost. Number 7. Egg whites. Egg whites are an excellent source of high-quality protein that is low in phosphorus, making them a kidney-friendly food choice. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass and overall health, but excessive phosphorus intake can be harmful to the kidneys. Egg whites are a great alternative to whole eggs for individuals with kidney disease who need to limit their phosphorus intake. Incorporating egg whites into your diet can help you meet your protein needs while supporting kidney health. You can enjoy egg whites in various dishes such as omelets, scrambles, salads, and baked goods for a protein-rich and kidney-friendly option. Finally, number 8. Red grapes. Red grapes are a delicious and kidney-friendly fruit that is high in antioxidants like resveratrol, which has been shown to have protective effects on the kidneys. Resveratrol may help reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect against oxidative stress in the kidneys. Red grapes are also a good source of vitamin C and fiber, both of which are important for kidney health. Including red grapes in your diet can provide a range of beneficial nutrients that support kidney function and overall well-being. You can enjoy red grapes as a snack, add them to fruit salads, or use them in smoothies for a tasty and nutritious way to support kidney health. These foods can be excellent additions to a kidney-friendly diet, but it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider or a dietitian to create a personalized nutrition plan that meets your individual needs and supports your kidney health goals. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.